According to the National Electrical Code, the following requirements apply to wiring within steel enclosures. All wiring in an enclosure larger than 6 cubic feet must be enclosed in conduits or other approved raceways. Open J-boxes are not allowed within the enclosure. All J-boxes must have covers. One exception to the conduit requirement is for enclosures that are listed and labeled for use without conduits and installed in a dry, well-ventilated location. The locking handle on the cabinet does not affect the wiring requirements. All wiring must be properly supported and protected from physical damage. All splices must be made in approved junction boxes or conduit bodies. Based on the dimensions provided, 6 feet by 5 feet by 3 feet, the volume of the seal cabinet is 90 cubic feet, which exceeds 6 cubic feet. Therefore, all wiring within the enclosure must be enclosed in conduits or other approved raceways.